Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So today I will be sharing with you guys my updated morning skincare routine. It's been almost 9 months since I filmed my last skincare routine video, and a lot of you wanted to see my current skincare regime. The steps remain the same, but yes, there are a few products that I have been using and I am enjoying using those products. So then without further ado, let's jump right into my skincare routine. So first thing first guys, I am a big believer of double cleansing. So as soon as I wake up, I drink water and everything, and uske baad I clean my face with Plum E Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love this product. Okay. This is my second or third tub. It's very gentle and it thoroughly removes all my makeup. And the best part is कि आप जब इसे आँखों पर भी use करते to remove your eye makeup, it does not sting my eyes, it does not irritate my eyes, and that's the best part. So I absolutely love this cleansing balm. आपने मेरे last video में देखा होगा I was talking about Earth Rhythm ka cleansing balm, but unfortunately I used to love that one. I used to love that one, but unfortunately उन्होंने formula बदल दिया. I don't know why brands do this. It was a lovely formula, और जो भी नया formula है, it's not at all good. So yeah, I take this much amount, okay, and then इसे ऐसे warm up करके very gently and massage it into my skin. Now I'm just going to spray some water. And start massaging again. So guys, I'm just going to quickly wash my face and I'll be right back. So I'm done washing my face. So ideally our second step should be to go in with the face wash, but I don't do that. I go in with a face pack. But today I want to exfoliate my lips. I do it like once a week, sometimes once in 15 days. And मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से अपने lips को exfoliate नहीं किया है. So I'm going to exfoliate my lips today with the help of Dot & Key's Lip Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Love the packaging. It has a very strong peppermint scent. So when I used it for the first time, to be perfectly honest, I didn't like it because the consistency, the texture is very thick and it gets a little messy, and you just need a tiny amount and इसे फिर अच्छी तरह से rub करना है. But आप देखेंगे ये पूरे से यहाँ पर ना पूरा sticky हो जाता है because it is so thick. It gets really sticky and a little messy. So I'm just going to scoop out a very little amount. This is more than enough. Okay, I'm just going to start exfoliating. I'm going to take a wet wipe and I'm just going to clean. जब आप wet wipe use करते हो तो जो stickiness है वो भी पूरी तरीके से निकल जाता है. And actually guys, this is a very good lip scrub and my lips feel really soft and smooth. Now I'm going to apply some Neutrogena hand cream on my lips. And now I'm going to go in with my favorite face pack, and that is Kama Ayurveda's Suvarna Haldi Chandan Brightening Face Pack. मैं इसे बहुत टाइम से यूज़ करते आ रही हूँ अभी. If you have acne marks or if you get pimples constantly, then this is the one that I will highly recommend. It's very cooling, okay, it's very cooling, and I absolutely enjoy using this face pack. I have seen a major difference from the time I have started using this one. So it's an absolute must when it comes to my skincare routine, especially morning skincare routine. For my night skincare routine, I use two different packs. So this one has sandalwood, turmeric and multani mitti and it smells so good. So I've taken 2 teaspoons of this powder. Now I'm going to mix some water. And ये है मेरा Real Techniques का brush. इसके साथ I'm going to apply this pack. It is so cooling and nice, very soothing. So I usually keep this face pack on my face for about 20 to 30 minutes या फिर ये जब तक completely dry नहीं हो जाता है. So now I'm going to wait till the time it gets completely dry and I'll see you guys soon. So the only thing is guys that जब तक ये पूरी तरीके से dry नहीं हो जाता है वो initial के जो minutes होते हैं बहुत ऐसे वो tingling sensation होता है, उसके बाद relax हो जाता है. So that is something that I don't really like about this pack, but other than that I absolutely love it. So the face pack has completely dried down and now I'm going to remove it. So usually when this face pack dries down I go for my bath, lekin since today I am sitting and filming, I'm going to clean this face pack with my Earth Rhythms cleansing pad. इससे एक अच्छा होता है कि कुछ messy नहीं होता है. So I've saturated this with water. Now I'm going to clean, okay? I don't know guys if you can see this, but my skin looks so bright, healthy and radiant. And now it's time to wash my face guys with one of my favorite face wash, and it is Laneige Multi Deep Clean Cleanser. I love this face wash guys. When I used it for the first time itself, I instantly fell in love with it, and it cleans my skin thoroughly without leaving my skin feeling dry or stretchy. It is absolutely beautiful. So बहुत कम लेना है. So I'm just going to spray some water. Just start massaging it in circular motion. And मैंने description में भी पढ़ा था that this cleanser helps in removing light makeup and your sunscreen and everything. So guys, I'll just wash my face and I'll come back. So you guys can see that my skin is looking pretty clean. यहाँ पे redness है क्योंकि हमने पैक लगाया था, वो dry हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा redness हो जाता है, but बाद में वो settle हो जाता है. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to quickly go for my shower and then I'll continue with the rest of my skincare routine. So guys, for some reason I completely forgot to press the record button while I was filming my toner application. So this is the toner I have been using. It is from the Body Shop. It is their tea tree toner and I really like it. So I use it in the morning, and for my night skincare routine I use a different toner. So once I'm done applying the toner guys, I like to go in with this product. It is YBP's Hydrating Serum Mist. I really like this mist a lot guys. By the way, this is my second bottle. I don't like the scent of this mist, but it does a fabulous job of hydrating, moisturizing and nourishing my skin. And if you have a lot of redness, then this is one product that I will recommend because it helps in calming down my skin. It helps in reducing the redness on my face. So once I am done applying my toner, I like to spray some of this mist. And this mist has calendula, marshmallow and hibiscus in it. So कई बार night time में what I like to do is I just like to spray this mist guys. Then I don't go in with any other product because I want to give that break. And जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, it does a really good job of hydrating my skin. So this is more than enough. So I'll just do double cleansing, apply my toner and spray this mist. So once I am done spraying this mist, I immediately go in with my serum. This is Sugandha's antioxidant serum and I have noticed कि जो मेरा serum और moisturizer है बहुत अच्छी तरीके से penetrate होता है into my skin. So that helps a lot because you want कि आपका जो serum है, moisturizer है वो अच्छे से penetrate करे because you want those products to do their job. So just I don't let that mist to dry down completely. ये तो मैं आज बात करती करके, but otherwise I don't let it dry completely. I immediately go in with my serum and then I like to follow up with a moisturizer and ये है Clinique का dramatically different moisturizing gel, just 2 pumps. This much is more than enough. Eye cream is very important and I have been loving this eye cream, guys, and it is Ilana's Lush Eyes Collagen Boosting and Depuffing Eye Cream and Mask. From the time I have started using this eye cream, I have seen a huge difference मेरे under eyes की जो skin है उसमें. I used to love Dot & Key's eye cream. मैंने अपने लास्ट स्किन केयर वीडियो में भी उसके बारे में बात किया था, बट लेटर ऑन दे चेंज द फॉर्मूला. इट वाजंट दैट थिक एंड इट वाजंट दैट नरिशिंग और हाइड्रेटिंग. बट जब से मैंने ये अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट किया है, गाइज, दिस इज सो नरिशिंग, hydrating, moisturizing. It's a lovely product. So if you have dry under eyes, try this one. When I apply any concealer, it looks so beautiful. Like my under eyes look flawless, guys. And even if I have to bake my under eyes, believe me, कई बार आप अपने जब under eyes like bake करते हो, काफ़ी powder लगाते हो, तो उसके बाद काफ़ी आपके under eyes dry लगना start हो जाता है. But इसके साथ नहीं. But you have to obviously use it consistently. So I'm just going to take some on my finger, ring finger. Okay. And just let me take some more. Yeah, and now I'm going to massage it into my skin very gently. Always apply your eye cream with your ring finger because it has the lightest amount of pressure. Yeah. Hopefully you will love this because सबका skin अलग होता है. It worked for me. And last but not least, very important, and that is applying a good sunscreen. And जो मेरा favorite sunscreen है वो है Forest Essentials का Sun Fluid. It has SPF 50 in it. I love this one. मैंने पहले भी इसके बारे में बात किया है. I love the consistency, the texture. It does not leave a white cast. Irritate नहीं करता है स्किन को, and it protects my skin and it gives a very nice glow. Love it. And it does not clog my pores, guys. Okay, ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी स्किन ब्रीथ कर रही है. And अगर आप मेरे और फेवरेट सनस्क्रीन्स जानना चाहते हो कि कौन से हैं, वो है रिवेला का जेल सनस्क्रीन एंड ला शील्ड का या एल शील्ड का sunscreen. But from the time I have started using this one, I have not gone back to those sunscreens. Just आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी लिक्विडी है. And so my memory card got full and it stopped recording. So yeah, as you can see. And guys, this sunscreen is good for all skin types and it does not break me out. So that was my updated morning skincare routine, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And I will also be sharing with you guys my updated night skincare routine, and I'm also planning to do a video where I will be showing you how and where I store my skincare products. So then yeah, I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.